Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 65 Chevrolet C-60 flatbed that's been restored. Now don't ask me why they would want to restore this, but they did a pretty damn good job on it. It is a nice looking truck. Be a nice looking hauler, man, for a car. Rims are painted, the underneath is like really clean, man. This is an oldie here, man. Wow. Don't know what they're asking for it. It's got some powder coated stuff on it. Here's the that's what they're asking for it. It's got a beautiful paint job, burgundy. Hey guys, subscribe to the channel and check me out on Twitter and Instagram. It's SilverAutoman61. I enjoy coming to this place. Their inventory here switches daily. A lot of good stuff in here, man. You guys out there have a good one. Catch y'all later. Please subscribe.